Subject EC8501 Digital Communication. From the previous video, we studied about information theory and the information sources and the analysis of information theory. In this video, we are going to study about entropy. Entropy is a measure of uncertainty in a random variable. Entropy H of a random variable x is a measure of the amount of uncertainty associated with the value of x. The quantity h of x is called the entropy of source x. It is a measure of the average information content per source sample. Entropy h of x is the independent of the alphabet x. It depends only the probability of the symbols in the alphabet x, where x contains x0 to 0, k. K is the variable. Entropy formula: the amount of information I of xy produced by source over an arbitrary signaling interval depending on symbol xi emitted by source at that time. It takes any value from amount of information with probability x of I. Formula for entropy: h of x equal to expectation of amount of information generated by source. Another formula: h of x equal to minus summation of I equal to 0 to I minus 1 p of xi into I of xi, where p of xi is the probability of x of I and I of xi is the amount of information. Another formula for entropy: h of x equal to minus summation of I equal to 0 to I minus 1 p of xi log to the base 2 p of xi bits per symbol. Properties of entropy: the source entropy h of x satisfy the relation 0 less than or equal to h of x less than or equal to log to the base 2 m, where m is the size of the alphabet source x. In properties, first property: 0 less than or equal to h of x less than or equal to log to the base m, where m equal to number of symbols of the alphabet of source x. When all the events are equally likely, the average uncertainty must have the largest value, where log to the base m greater than or equal to h of x. Third, h of x equal to 0 if all the probability p of xi are 0 except for one symbol with p equal to 1. Information rate: if the time rate at which x emits symbols is r, the information rate of the source is given by capital R equal to small r into h of x bits per second, where capital R is the information rate, h of x is the entropy or average information of the source. Error-free communication. Capacity. Capacity is defined as the intrinsic ability of a channel to convey information. It is naturally related to the noise characteristics of the channel. Condition for error-free communication: entropy of the source less than capacity of the channel. In that case, we achieve error-free communication. Entropy example: in that case, we take binary memoryless source. Binary memoryless source has symbols 0 and 1 which have probability b0 and b1, 1 minus b0. Count the entropy as a function of b0. We show in the figure. We get the figure like this. Conditional on joint entropies. H of x is the average uncertainty of the channel input. H of y is the average uncertainty of the channel output. The conditional entropy H of x bar y is the measure of average uncertainty remaining about the channel input after the channel output has been observed. The conditional entropy H of y bar x is the average uncertainty of the channel output given that x was transmitted. The joint entropy H of x comma y is the average uncertainty of the communication channel as a whole. Formulas for various entropies. First, H of y, entropy equal to minus summation of j equal to 1 to n p of yj log to the base 2 p of yj, where p of yj is the probability of y variables. Then h of x bar y and h of y bar x is a conditional entropies. Then h of x comma y is the joint entropy of x and y variables. Relationship between the various entropies. First, h of x comma y joint probability equal to h of x bar y conditional entropy plus h of y entropy of y variable. Then h of x comma y equal to h of y bar x conditional entropy plus h of x the entropy of x variable. Then h of x comma y also written by h of x plus h of y, entropies of h of x plus entropy of h of y. Then conditional entropy h of x bar y written like this equal to h of x comma y minus h of y. X and y are statistically independent variables. Thank you.